Mic check, 1, 2. Still adjusting the table. So here's the deal. I'm not super into videos talking about the one lens that you need, the one lens to rule them all. That rule them all thing, that's been tightened down a little bit, hasn't it? Because lenses and cameras are like tools. Knives, forks, spoons, sporks, they all have a role to play, to all serve a purpose depending on what you're shooting. So to tell you the lens to rule them all, what I'm holding in my hand, the Sony G Master f2.8 24-70. I keep thinking it's a 28-70 because I'm so used to that number, but it's a 24-70. This is a zoom. This is a G Master. This is a lens that, according to Sony Alpha rumors, might be getting a refresh. So I just want to hop on here and like show some love to this lens. And the reason I'm showing love to the lens is because it is the first G Master lens I ever got to use, one of the first professional. Would you look at what we're vlogging on now, the Sony A7iii G series lens, 24-70 millimeter. Is this thing in focus? Are we focusing right now? This is why I need that flip out. Even though I'm a believer that any lens and camera in the right hands can be a professional camera, so I don't put a whole lot of stock in all that, but that price tag is up there and it is dropping a little bit because I do believe we are due for a refresh of this lens. I'm gonna tell you one thing I love about this lens and one thing I hate about this lens. The rendering, the bokeh, the blurriness, it's also sharp, but the rendering of this lens is incredible. The downside, this sucker is heavy. And as I always like to say, first world problems, but this is a very heavy lens and it does weigh, I can't remember the actual weight number. Can I pop it up on the screen somewhere, someplace? Yeah. So this is a version 1 of this 24-70, a version 2. I definitely want to see a lighter lens, definitely shorter. This feels almost more like a lens for a DSLR that was adapted like Sigma used to do back in the day before they started making lenses for mirrorless. This lens right here, wide open, looks so great on elongating forms and things like that. So yeah, even on west, it doesn't even have to be like portraiture swimsuit stuff. Using the wide angle, then bumping into that 70. It is a fun time shooting. So fun, it's fun. All right, if you like this video and reminiscing about focal lengths, let me know in the comments. Tell me which ones that you enjoy. Focal lengths. Tell me which focal lengths you enjoy as well. I'd love to hear your input on that. And we're gonna go start some more photo and video right here on this channel. Also, before I go away, if you like this video, head on over to YeagerShots.com. Pick up a t-shirt, photo and video related apparel is over there. Some prints are over there. Nothing that I shot with this lens for some strange odd reason, but there are some prints for purchase. If you want to do that, it really does help me out. And one more thing you can do is just hit that like button and subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com. How's the wide angle? I had to put a Tamron 17-28 on and show grandma, literally my real grandma's TV back there that I will not throw away. Old CRT because it's so cool. It's tighter croppings for a reason in this room. Okay.